Good morning, Te Ngātahoe. Today is Wednesday, the 29th of April, and I want to talk to you about some of the learning that we have this week. And we'll also have Miss Jones and Mrs. DeSalis also talking about some of our learning. So if you want a particular part, you can fast forward to them. Right, first joke. Do you want to taco about it? It's not your problem. See if you can explain to someone why that's a pun. Managing self. You're all managing yourselves, aren't you? It's not quite the same as when you were at school, and I want to talk to you about two children I had in my class last week who did an awesome thing. So you know how it's your job to come to your meet every day with your teacher, and I had two kids and they missed it. The times had changed and they didn't quite get the memo. And do you know what they did? They sent me an email almost as soon as they've missed it and said, "Mr. Mansell, sorry we missed the meeting. What do we need to know? We're really sorry." And I was so impressed because that was these children taking responsibility and trying to fix the problem. Right, okay, off to the other teachers.
Hi guys, now I'm going to talk to you about your reading for this week. Now just to confirm, we want you to complete at least one reading, one writing and one maths task a day. Okay, now the reading, a bit like the last few weeks, we'd like you to read to yourself every day. This could be a newspaper article, this could be a book, this could be on Epic. Okay, there's lots of places that you could find something to read. We'd also like you to complete 2 read theory articles. If you click on the link, it will take you through to read theory. Okay, remember you click login and then off you go. So 2 articles for that. The third reading activity you could do is we're going back to Kiwi Kids News. It says read 2 articles, summarize 1 on the graphic organizer. So if you click on the link, that takes you through to Kiwi Kids News. Okay, choose 2 of those articles. Once you've done that, you need to go to your graphic organizer, which will be shared with you on Google Classroom. And you need to complete this current event summary. So remember to write the name of the article. You think about who's in the article, what it's being talked about, where is the event happening, why, how, when, and then summarize using these bits of information. And that's what we'd like you to do for your reading this week.
Hi Team Ngātahoe, Miss Jones here. I'm just going to quickly explain your math task for the week. So you want to be aiming to complete at least 1 math task a day. So we have a math flip it to learn it, and we have a new one this week all about time and measurement. So if we scroll down on the document, here we can see we have our spicy, hot, and spicy hot flip it to learn it. And you want to complete at least one of these, whether it's the spicy, the hot, or the spicy hot. Now we've only put about 4 or 5 Maths Buddy tutorial videos in each one. That's because this week is a shorter week. We only have 3 days. So you're going to work on one of these flip it to learn it. Let's say we were doing the spicy and you're going to start with the analog telling the time 2350. You're going to go into Maths Buddy, the website, and type in 2350, and that will take you to the tutorial you need to watch, and you will then complete a quiz. Once you have done the quiz, you will be given a percentage as to how you went on the quiz. Make sure you record that percentage down here on your Flip It to learn it. What I've also really enjoyed seeing from Room 14 is those of you that are actually recording on your contract, which Flip It to learn it you are doing, and you are putting that percentage up here as well. Here's an example, Flip It to learn it on Wednesday, and you are on the spicy one, and you did 2350, which was the analog time, and you got 85% on that one. Super clear for the teacher to see, and they know exactly which one you are working on. Then we have the Mathdemic questions. Now these will be sent out to you on Google Slides on Thursday and Friday. So on Thursday you will choose to do either the at least one of the spicy hot or spicy hot questions. You can do more than one, and you'll do all your working out on paper and upload a nice clear photo onto the Google slide. And then you will do the same thing on Friday. You'll be sent out a new set of questions, and you'll choose to do at least one of the spicy hot or spicy hot questions. And then the third and final math task, we have basic facts practice 10 minutes every day. Whether that's using the website Prototech, Prodigy, you've made flip cards, practicing your basic facts for 10 minutes each day. And again, record this on your timetable so that we can see you've done that. So those are your math tasks for the week.
Okay, good morning. For your writing, you're going to log into writetheessay.org. If you don't know your password or account, talk to your teacher. So we're going to get you to click on tasks, and you're going to see Formula One driver writing task. And here's the task: meet Nigel's dad, who wants to be a Formula One driver. Your challenge is you need to write about him using the following words: Xbox 360, speedy, finishing line. You can use your plan here. You can do your best ideas, and then I want you to write, okay? You can't write more than 300 words. You don't have to write nearly that many. So that's the first task that you've got for today. And one that you got for the week is, see this blue button up here? This is called modules. And what we want you to do is to find this one called the simple sentence down here. And I want you to do everything in here. So I want you to watch the video on how exactly a simple sentence, and you should watch this with your family, your mum or your dad. And I want you to read all of this where it talks about how a sentence works. So it's talking about how they begin with the subject of the sentence. For example, John rode his bike across town. Once you read this, there's also a module quiz and a reading activity, Mega Chocolate. So I would like to do all of this by the end of the week. Cool. Have a great day.